Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to set up discounts for specific customers. Log into the backend. Go to Customers tab. Note down the specific customer's name. Now go to Basic Settings. Search out the customer's groups and click on it. Now select the customer and click on Add Entry. Now fill out the desired discount. Click Save. Now go to Configuration and Cache, Performance. Select All and Clear. Now start the process to compile the theme. Go to Shop and refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.